Before this video starts, make sure you go follow me on Instagram and on Twitch at, well, my Instagram is Unorthodox Beats and my Twitch is Unorthodox Gaming 97. Links in the description. You know how we do. Let's get on with this video, baby. Wow. How are we doing today? Good. I hope so. Welcome back to the channel. Docs Gang, how we doing? Hope we're good. Today we're gonna do something that I actually planned on doing 2 weeks ago. So like I recorded the video for this like already, but footage was just unusable. So yeah, now here we are. Redoing this entire video. Today we're going to be doing an instrumental breakdown of Baby Birkin from Gunna's Drip or Drown 2. Yeah, this is probably going to be the last remake I'm going to do off of that album, because obviously I've done quite a few remakes of that. But I mean, you know, it's just such a good album, so it's like, you know, I'm tied up. But so yeah, here's the Midi I got laid out. Actually, let me get my headphones on. Here's what I got. Here's the thing I got laid out and everything. I'm just gonna go through how I came up with everything and what sounds I used and all that stuff. And keep in mind that the sounds that I use are not the exact ones. Some of them are very close. Some of them aren't as close. But I mean, if it was a bell, I tried to get a bell that sounded nice or sounded like it. So yeah, that's that. Don't forget, if you're new to the channel, subscribe. What are you doing? Don't just chill and just watch the video. Like, I appreciate you watching, you know what I'm saying? Welcome to the channel, you know. But you gotta subscribe, turn on post notifications, you know, all that stuff. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, to like and share the video and all that stuff. And let's officially get into this thing. So, first things first, I'm just gonna show you like what my remake sounds like, and I'll let you guys verify if it's good enough. So yeah, hopefully this file works. But yeah, that's what I got so far. You know, very simple. I try to get it as similar as possible. The guitar actually sounds kind of quiet, so I'm gonna turn that up actually. But yeah, that's what I got. Alright, so the first thing is the guitar sound. This for some reason took me a very long time to get, because like, you know how in this pattern it kind of stutters a little bit and it's just weird kind of trying to get that effect. So it took me a little while to figure that out, but alas, I found it, guys. So here's the Midi for it. I used the nylon guitar, I think. Classic nylon guitar, yes I did. From Omnisphere, of course. I don't use any other VSTs. Classic nylon guitar. Very quality acoustic guitar. I know a lot of people don't like using guitar VSTs or like any guitars from any other VSTs. So yeah, if you don't normally like them but you don't really have a guitar, this is a dope ass guitar to use. Especially if you play around with it, add some reverb, all that stuff. Nice. But I don't know why I was saying all that stuff. But yeah, that was that. Yeah, that's all it is, man. It's just these notes in that order. All right, next we got the let's do the bell. Okay, so the second sound is the bell, I believe. I'm pretty sure it's a glockenspiel. I don't know for a fact, but I'm almost 100% certain it's a glockenspiel. I didn't use a sound that, or I was looking for a sound and I knew I had a sound that sounded like it, but I just could not find it. So I just went into expand and I just used like a glockenspiel that I found. So, and it sounds, and this is what the pattern is, and it sounds like this. It's this part of the song. Oh, whoops, not that. Definitely not that. It's definitely this. So yeah, that's what it is. I forgot to do the little grace note thing there at the bottom. But notice at the bottom here, I don't just, you know, use one note at the beginning. I go from down up real quick, you know what I'm saying? So from E to B. I just kind of caught that in the song because I know it does that. And next sound, oh yeah, and what's it called? The patch that I use, or the preset that I used, is Glockenspiel 1. As I was saying, I believe it's in the, yeah, it's the bells and then Glockenspiel 1. It's right here. Yeah, pretty dope. I had some reverb, a little bit of reverb, not too much. yeah, that's that. Next we have another bell. So it's like a it acts as a perk, I guess, in this beat. But yeah, it's like a Beethoven-ish bell. So here's what it sounds like. And I know for a fact this is the accurate sound. But yeah, that's what that sounds like. I found this bell. It was in like my Beethoven drum kit. So I was like, oh, that works. I heard that before. So it's actually a Young Kiko drum kit, but this has a lot of Beethoven sounds and whatnot. So yeah, that's where I got it from. You just look up any Beethoven drum kit, or you just look up the Young Kiko Chronicles. Literally just Google this. Just Google that, honestly. Cause yeah. All right. Next we have the 808, and it's the plug 808, of course, using this song. And this is the pattern. It's just E and then C, D, and then E. So yeah, here's that. And it sounds like this. But yeah, that is what I got for the 808 pattern. And I also forgot to tell you guys about the BPM. It's also 119. Oh, no, it was at 119, I believe. Yeah. BPM's on 119. That's what I got with the tempo tamper. So if it's different, sorry. I don't really care. But that is what I got for the BPM. And, well, the 808. Alright, anyway, next, hi-hat pattern. Hi-hat pattern is very simple. It's literally just two-step hi-hats with a roll at like this, each like second part of this 4 bars or whatever. So it just looks like this, honestly. Just a roll, that's all it is. Just a 4-note hi-hat roll. Very simple, nothing too complicated, just that. And next, but not least, the last sound that I added was the clap, very standard clap. Just sounds like this, nothing special at all. You know, just doing its thing. And of course the mixer, this is what I did for the mix. Actually, let me just label everything so that it's easier for you guys to actually see what is what. And I surprisingly only used 6 sounds, which is pretty cool. So that also just proves more that less is more, and you don't need a whole bunch of sounds for a dope beat. But yeah, this is what I did for the mixer preset. So for the mixer, all I did was add some reverb on the guitar. So the Omnisphere one's the guitar one. I added reverb. I didn't want to use the Omnisphere reverb because the Omnisphere reverb, like their Pro Verb or whatever, just like plugin, it's good for some presets and not as good for others. And not that it wasn't good for this one, but it was just too intense for the classic nylon guitar. So I just wanted to use the fruity reverb, and I feel like with fruity reverb you can kind of control the reverb a bit easier. So yeah, that's what I did for that. Glockenspiel, I think I added reverb. Yeah, I did, but it was on the actual VST. I didn't use external plugins for that. Bell, left it alone, turned it down a little bit. And the 808, of course, added the wave shaper, and hi-hats didn't do anything, and the clap, I didn't do anything. So with that being said, hold on. So with that being said, there's your beat. There is the Baby Birkin instrumental remake. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you learned something from this. I guess one takeaway would be that less is more, because there's literally only 6 sounds that were used in this beat. So, I mean, yeah. But make sure you don't forget to leave a like, share this with your friends, comment, you know what I'm saying, on videos you actually do in the future, or suggestions on how to make the channel better. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And of course, turn on post notifications, all that good stuff. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all of y'all. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.